Hay fever is a term often used to describe allergy symptoms, but not usually to hay, and there's no fever involved. So what's up with that? Ed Neuzil, registered nurse practitioner at Allergy, Sinus and Asthma Family Health Center, explains that hay fever is actually allergic rhinitis caused by seasonal pollens.
Well, I actually had one of the reporters, and that's me right there. The reporter went ahead and called because the allergies are more pronounced right now, and a lot of people are sick because of allergies. Hay fever is the term they used when they started getting allergy type symptoms. Okay. Well, the allergy symptoms, they can get a stuffy nose, or their nose will run. They may feel a little bit of pressure up in the sinuses. Sometimes it actually gets very tender and hurts. A lot of times the nose will run. Generally with the allergies, they just say it pours out all this clear stuff. And then they'll get it down the back of the throat, and they're hacking and they're coughing. And so these are some of them that they see. Sneezing is something that's very common. Now we're in the peak of the year where we see the most people affected, the allergens at the highest level. What's unfortunate with this being a more transitional group where people are what we call snowbirds and they come down, they're no sooner going to go ahead and go through the allergy season here and go right up to an allergy season there. So I kind of feel bad for them because they're going from the frying pan back to the frying pan.
Ed Neuzil is celebrating 4 years of bringing Irrigator nasal spray, a natural herbal enhanced nasal spray he created, to market. Spokeswoman Nancy Schwartz explains the humble beginnings of this now national brand.
Ed had created a nasal spray for his patients and also for his family to help them with sinus conditions that they may have been experiencing, and they loved it. So he brought in my company to help with the marketing and distribution of Dr. Neuzil's Irrigator. So we started from the ground up in creating the logo. In fact, he had a contest to create the name, Dr. Neuzil's Irrigator. And from there we developed the logo, put the packaging, and started work on increasing the distribution channels to retailers and other medical offices. Whether you're on the golf course, exposed to grasses, whether you have a pet that you're allergic to, a frequent traveler who is susceptible to being in high altitude that will dry out your sinus passages. The spray is great for everybody because it's non-medicated, it has those pleasant essential oils, and it helps to alleviate the irritants that can cause irritation. Ed knew from the beginning when he started to get the response from his patients and family that this is a great product. He knew that he had something, and he is just so excited about the growth and the exposure that the product has gotten.
Dr. Neuzil's Irrigator Herbal Enhanced Nasal Spray is available through many nationwide retailers, as well as locally at Walgreens drugstores and several local health and nutrition stores. You'll find more information on Dr. Neuzil's Irrigator and a link to local retailers, as well as contact information for Allergy, Sinus and Asthma Family Health Center when you click the Hay Fever Story Link icon on our homepage, yourhometownhealth.com.